Just a single serving of moringa leaves provides more vitamin C than an orange, more vitamin A than a carrot, and more calcium than milk. Yes, you heard that right. Moringa might just be the closest thing to a multivitamin you can get from Mother Nature. The nutrient powerhouse. Moringa oleifera, also known as the drumstick tree or the miracle tree, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, but it's making waves in modern nutrition thanks to its impressive profile. Let's dive into what makes this green marvel so exceptional. Number 1. Vitamins galore. Moringa leaves are brimming with vitamins A, C, and E, all of which are antioxidants that fight off oxidative stress and inflammation. Vitamin C boosts immune function and aids collagen synthesis, vital for skin and bone health. Vitamin A supports vision and skin health, and vitamin E protects cells from damage caused by free radicals, helping prevent inflammation and diseases like cancer and heart disease. Number 2. Mineral marvel. When it comes to minerals, moringa doesn't skimp. It's loaded with calcium, potassium, and iron. Calcium strengthens bones and teeth, potassium maintains muscle and nerve function, and iron is crucial for healthy blood and preventing anemia. These minerals collectively support various bodily functions, ensuring overall health and vitality. Number 3. Protein power. Not just a leafy green, moringa leaves are a protein powerhouse with all 9 essential amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, vital for muscle repair, enzyme function, and overall bodily functions. This complete protein source is particularly beneficial for vegetarians and vegans who might struggle to get sufficient protein from their diets. Health benefits, more than just a pretty face. But what's all this nutrition doing for you? Let's break it down. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa has potent anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. The anti-inflammatory compounds in moringa help reduce inflammation, supporting overall health and mitigating risks associated with chronic inflammatory conditions. Number 2. Blood sugar regulation. Moringa's ability to lower blood sugar levels is backed by science. It helps improve insulin sensitivity and reduces sugar absorption, making it valuable for managing blood sugar levels and supporting metabolic health. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Number 3. Cholesterol control. If you're looking to manage cholesterol levels, moringa might be your new best friend. It helps balance lipid levels, promoting heart health. Moringa's natural compounds like beta-sitosterol reduce cholesterol absorption, helping to lower blood cholesterol levels and prevent heart disease. How to incorporate moringa into your diet. Moringa is incredibly versatile. Here are a few ways to enjoy its benefits. Number 1. Smoothies. Add a spoonful of moringa powder to your morning smoothie for an extra boost of nutrients. Moringa powder blends well with fruits and vegetables, making it a convenient way to get a daily dose of vitamins and minerals. Number 2. Soups and stews. Toss some fresh moringa leaves into your soups or stews. They add a lovely green color and a nutritional kick. Moringa leaves can be cooked like spinach, retaining their nutrients while adding a subtle, earthy flavor. Number 3. Teas. Moringa tea is a soothing way to reap the benefits of this superfood. Simply steep dried moringa leaves or tea bags in hot water. It's a gentle way to enjoy moringa's health benefits, especially if you're looking for a caffeine-free alternative to traditional teas. Potential side effects. Handle with care. Even nature's best comes with a few caveats. While moringa is generally safe for most people, some might experience mild side effects. These can include, number 1, digestive upset. Consuming moringa in large quantities might cause digestive issues like bloating or diarrhea. It's best to start with a small amount and gradually increase to assess your tolerance. Number 2, blood pressure. Due to its potential to lower blood pressure, individuals on antihypertensive medications should consult with a healthcare provider before adding moringa to their regimen. Combining moringa with blood pressure medications might result in overly low blood pressure. Number 3, pregnancy. While moringa is rich in nutrients, its effect during pregnancy hasn't been thoroughly studied. Pregnant women should use it cautiously and consult their healthcare provider to ensure safety. Incorporating moringa into your diet is a great way to enhance your nutrition naturally. Its impressive profile can complement a balanced diet and support overall health. However, as with any supplement or dietary change, moderation is key. Start with small amounts, monitor your body's response, and enjoy the journey to better health with Moringa. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried Moringa before? What was your experience like? And if you have other health topics you'd like me to cover, drop those in the comments too. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Until the next one, stay informed, stay active, and most importantly, stay healthy.